9 months before you were born, long before you had a name or a face, you were exactly one cell. Just one. A single microscopic sphere containing the entire blueprint for you. And somehow, from that solitary starting point came everything you are right now. Your thoughts, your memories, the very beat of your heart. Let's slow down and follow that story, because it's not just ancient history, it's still happening inside you as you listen. So what is a cell, really? We call it the smallest unit of life, but it's more helpful to imagine it as a bustling microscopic city. It has a city hall, the nucleus, sitting right at the center. This is the command center, holding the DNA, the master instructions for everything the cell will ever build or do. Then you have the power plants, the mitochondria, working tirelessly to produce energy. You have factories, the ribosomes, assembling proteins, the essential building blocks, and a complex transport system to move materials around. All of this intricate machinery, all this activity, humming along inside something far too small for the human eye to see. That first cell, that single microscopic city, did something simple and profound. It divided. It became 2. Then those 2 became 4, then 8, then 16. With every single division, the entire set of master instructions, your complete DNA, was copied perfectly and passed on. This wasn't a chaotic explosion of growth. It was a patient, methodical process happening over and over for 9 months. By the time you were born, that single cell had multiplied into nearly 2 trillion. And today, as an adult, you are a walking, talking community of roughly 40 trillion cells, all descended from that one original. But here is the most remarkable part of the story. If every one of those 40 trillion cells has the exact same instruction manual, why aren't you just a massive, uniform blob? It's because cells specialize. Imagine every cell has a library containing every book ever written. A nerve cell doesn't read the whole library, it just reads the chapters on sending electrical signals. A muscle cell reads only the chapters on how to contract. A red blood cell discards the library entirely to make more room for its sole job, carrying oxygen. Same starting code, but completely different destinies, all determined by what your body needed and where. This entire process isn't over. It's happening as you listen to my voice. Right now, millions of your skin cells are silently being replaced, a constant renewal of your outer barrier. Your red blood cells are on a ceaseless journey, delivering oxygen to every corner of your body. And inside your brain, billions of neurons are firing in a delicate, coordinated dance, a symphony of electrical pulses that allows you to process these very words and form a thought about them. You don't have to command any of it. It's an autonomous, silent, life-sustaining operation. It just continues. From one cell, an entire universe of you was born. Trillions of individual parts, each specialized, each cooperating in a silent, perfect collaboration. They are all working together right now to build and sustain the single, conscious entity that you call me. This isn't just a lesson in biology. It's the fundamental, ongoing story of every single person who has ever lived. It's the story of you.